the classic whoopie pie, a northeastern sweet treat that is simply irresistible. If you're not familiar with a whoopie pie, well, it certainly is not a pie. It definitely is not a cookie. It's more like 2 rounds of cake that sandwich a sweet, creamy interior. Crumble Crate's version is a blackout whoopie pie. That means that this recipe includes a rich, dark chocolate cake as well as a creamy chocolate pudding frosting, basically a chocolate lover's dream. Crumble Crate's video tutorial will make creating, baking, and decorating these little cuties completely stress-free. For our Crumble Crate subscribers, this baking kit ships the first week in October. So be sure to decorate your whoopie pies with the orange icing as well as the colorful candy quins that are included in your baking kit. The end result is a subtle yet spooky sweet treat for you to serve at your Halloween party. Come bake with me and create some memories. See how easy it is to create a decadent and delicious dessert